Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Word Chapter 4 Hand-on Exercise 1 Simulation Exams. Click Start. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Word Chapter 4 and on exercise 1 simulation exam. Click launch. So open the Word Chapter 4. Total question is 4. Select the all document text, change the paragraph spacing before to 0 and spacing after 0. So select the all documents, go to the home tabs and next click the paragraph and spacing 0 and click OK. In the paragraph that an article's recent issue of click before ending periods, first sentence, new journal article, paragraph and articles, paragraph and article, the recent issue, click before the period of the sentence, period of the sentence, start and before the article in recent issue of go to the reference tabs and click the add any source. So position the insertion point at the end of the document, insert the page break. And go to the insert tabs and click the page break and insert the reference bibliography. So go to the reference tabs and go to the citation and bibliography and select the bibliography. Insert the reference bibliography. Click OK. Select the all text reference page including the reference heading, change the font Times New Roman and change the font size to 12. Select the all text and change the font to Times New Roman. Go to the home tabs and select the Times New Roman. Click OK and change the font size to 12 and set the line spacing reference page including the referencing heading double, line spacing double and click OK and change the color of the reference heading black and center the reference. Font color is black text one. Click OK and click center. So question number 2 is complete. And we move to the question number 3. Insert the footer after the periods following the text virtual team environment. So virtual team environment. First page of the environment, virtual team environment. virtual team environment. After the period, go to the reference tabs and insert the sort of footernet. Type the virtual team does not meet in the same location. Including the period, modify the footnote styles to include the font size 12 and font Times New Roman. Right click and click the styles, click modify and font size 12 and Times New Roman. Times New Romans, click OK and click apply. So next, and change the font size 16 and font color black text one and press enter 5 times. Enter 5 times and type the virtual team. So type the virtual team and press enter. Select the virtual team. So select the virtual team cover page on the home tab and click change the case to uppercase. Case to uppercase